Hey, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, my name is Ritumechi Matime, and this channel is dedicated to mainly hair, occasional vlogs, and makeup. And if that's your thing, please join the Reisons family by clicking the subscribe button down below. And my returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning back again. And so today I just thought to have another rare occasion of having a vlog. This is though going to be my first solo vlog. I'll practically be alone the entire vlog, and I am going to do some grocery shopping. So I am now warming up the car, and I also want to go to the bank. The mall was a good place for me to do everything at, because I also want a charger. My charger died on me, so yeah, it was a great place to kind of do everything at. But like now I'm thinking I also need to go get water, and the mall doesn't have oasis where we refill our water. So I'm just gonna go to I guess 2 complexes. The charger I'll just because I wanted like the actual iPhone charger, because I'm tired of just buying these 70 rand chargers that die on you in 5 or 4 months. So but anyway, I'll just have to settle for that. Yeah, so I'm going to 2 shopping centers. Yeah, the other one I'm just going just purely for the bank. But I just remembered I forgot the refill bottles for the water, so I'm just gonna go back to the house and grab that. See ya. I just parked. I am going to was slowly letting go of the clutch. Yeah, I am going to start with the water place, and then I need to print out some stuff, and then I am also going to get a charger. The thing is, I didn't want at the shopping center there's a spa, and spa is relatively like more expensive. So but I also don't want to go to a lot of places at the second complex. I only want to go to the bank there. So I guess I'll just have to, I'm choosing that I'm going to buy the majority of our things here at Spa. But anyway guys, yeah, let's get inside. Your girl forgot a mask. The chargers now. Okay guys, so Kifedi Jamo, and I am on my way to the second complex, but I'm only going to the bank. So I just got to the second complex, ke phakile hole blind where the bank is, so I'm just quickly gonna go there and certify some documents, and then I head back home. What time is it? It's 11:30. I left home at around 9, I think. But anyway, yeah, let me go to the bank and I'll catch up with you guys later. Thank you.